Hi, we're about to open this Arduino kit, the Arduino Mega kit from Geekrit. It has been shipped from China. You can see this here. This took me 12 days to arrive at my home. Okay, so let's see what's inside this. It comes in a very nice plastic container with a section for everything. Okay, so as you can see here, once I've opened it, I can see some sensors at the top. Okay, these are different types of sensors, and looks like there are lots of sensors in it. We got a motor here, and this is a heat sensor or something. Okay, then we got an ultrasonic sensor. Okay, then we got some more sensors. So as you can see, there are lots of sensors in it, and this is a battery pack. All right, we got this thing here with lots of LEDs, resistors, capacitors, phototransistors, RGB LEDs, and I can also see some more sensor in it. This is the 7-segment digit, 4 7-segment digit display. Okay, and lots of tiny stuff all packed together in one cover here. Okay, this is a breadboard. All right, and then you can see here is these are resistors. Oh my, there are very many types of resistors. 1, 2, 3. Oh, just can't really count, isn't it? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 types of resistors. Okay, so that's really a very good number of resistors. Just put the resistors here. So it's really worth, that's what I feel. I think this costed £37 for me, including delivery charges. Okay, I take the first cover off, and then we can see lots of jumper wires. Yeah, and some more jumper wires. Amazing. You have this connector which you use to connect your Arduino to the computer, a USB thing, the printer cable. This is something that goes on a battery pack here, and then you can power your Arduino using this one as well. Okay, then we got this LCD display. Well, I don't really know names of so many of these things. Okay, now this looks to me like a potentiometer, variable resistance device. Okay, it has also got a remote in it. Then you've got some more electronic stuff in this. This is a display. You know, these all things light up, so you can write numbers and text on this. Okay, these are again, so many types of things, sensors here. This is a joystick which you can use to design games. This is again a motor. It looks like it's a step motor. All right, so you can control the angle at which the motor moves. This is a fan which normally goes on a motor like this, and you can experiment with this fan. Okay, all right, this is a servo motor. Servo motors are used in robotics to control the angle of a movement, especially when you want to design the elbow or limb of an animal or a robot. You use servo motors there. Okay, okay, this is called AC to DC adapter, which means you can directly power up your Arduino using the power socket at your home. All right, then we got this breadboard here, and to me it looks like this is some kind of extension board for the Arduino. So you can put this extension board on top of the Arduino, and that extends the Arduino's capability. Yeah, these are some more sensors here, and wow, can you believe it? This is a keypad. So literally you can make something with this keypad, and this thing will go into your pin, so you can control what information goes into the keypad and what is controlled. Finally, there we have the Arduino Mega chip. Okay, so as you can see, the details are already on the website. The Arduino Mega chip, the Mega 2560, does comes with lots of stuff and a real value for money for all these things. Okay, So you can read more details about this online. Each content, you know, the details of each of the contents and what they do is put on the website already. Thank you.